So here is Nusantara 3.1 official build for Redmi Note 7 and Note 7s, and as you can see the settings UI has been completely changed. Also if you scroll down to the very bottom or very top of any list, then there is extreme bounce effect just like Android 12, but it is much more than that. Now let's have a look at customizations, which is located in Nusantara wings, and the first thing is Nusantara parts, where you can get a kernel manager kind of thing, and where you can tweak all of the things which is shown in here, but this has been removed from most of the custom ROMs, so it is likely to be removed from Nusantara as well in the next update. Then there is themes, where you can change most of the UI elements from these settings. Nusantara category style you will see in a moment after changing it to tabbed. So as you can see, the category style is changed and it is now bigger and wide. Also there is tons of fonts and new ones are included too. Also you can change your system theme to Google Dark, Pitch Dark or any other. Then there is switch style too, which includes Android 12 style as well. Also now you can change network and Wi-Fi icons separately, which is not there in Android 10 version. From settings themes, you can change the UI of the settings homepage. You can go back to the normal one or you can select other one. So under notification you can find heads up option, edge lightning, then there is a tweaker as well. Also there is status bar lyric. I don't know how that works. Then there is other things which is related to notifications. Under miscellaneous you can find gaming mode, display cutout settings and some random UI elements things which don't fit in other places. So under lock screen tab you can find lock screen items, where you can change and customize things for lock screen only. Then under status bar tab you can find battery options, where you can change its style and enable percentage, or you can enable battery bar. Then you can find clock options, where you can change date and time style and its font too. So below clock option you can find icon manager, where you can change icons and enable or disable them. Then we have quick settings, where you can change anything related to quick settings. You can enable Oxygen OS clear all button, then you can enable vibrate on touch, brightness control, QS tint, QS label tint and header image as well. For the header image, these are the header images that is included. Under hardware tab and button settings you can find volume panel style, where you can change to any of these. Under navigation you can find system navigation, where you can change the style of navigation that you want. So under settings you can find these options. Under display settings you can find styles and wallpapers, where you can just change clock styles only. There is no option to create theme. So for security features, this custom ROM includes app locker, quick unlock and face unlock as well, and the build is enforcing too. Also if you want to watch the customization only, then you can watch my previous video, which is just for customization. Widevine is L1 by default, which means you can stream HD content on Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. Safety net does get passed after enabling Magisk Hide. Also, I'm not using any modules to pass the test. CPU throttling test results look great, as there is no CPU throttling detected, and average and max looks great too. And for this test I used stock kernel only, which is Predator Stormbreaker 9.8, and the threads were set to 100.
Enemy down! at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Snag. Expired! Enemy down!
The blue team is unstoppable!
Dead!
Oh, hell no!
I'm coming for you! Mine! Hey, what happened?
The blue team is about
Watch
to
out!
Blue team is unstoppable!
Kill! Blue team victory!
Well done!
So for gaming performance, this custom ROM is great as always. There are no lags while playing games, and even with screen recording it works perfectly smooth. I recorded this gameplay at 720p and the kernel was Predator Stormbreaker 9.8, which is top kernel of this custom ROM. For gamers, this custom ROM would be great option to try it out. But before you do so, make sure to watch this video till the end because there are some bugs and problems which can make you sad. With that said, let's have a look at pros and cons of this custom ROM. When it comes to customization, this custom ROM have a lot of customization, though it is not that heavy like Havoc OS, Evolution X or any other. Especially theming part have a lot of customization for it, and it can be very useful for those who want to customize everything. So for UI changes, there is not a lot of things like every other custom ROM is doing. The only thing that I saw is settings page and volume panel style. And the good thing is that both of these can be reverted back to the stock AOSP ones. So for cons, the first thing is that bugs, and the bugs are very annoying in this build as it is major ones. I will tell more about bugs after pros and cons. Also, there is no option to create or select themes from styles and wallpapers. You can just change wallpaper, grid and clock styles. So if you want to change theme, then you have to go into Nusantara wing and then themes. So the bugs that I faced was system UI was crashing randomly with stock kernel, and whenever I try to play any video from YouTube and any audio from Spotify, then the system UI gets crashed. And always on charging is also acting weird. The screen keeps blinking randomly when it is on. Also, there is one more annoying thing, which is after downloading any file from Chrome, then the file gets opened automatically without even asking for permission, and I didn't give any permission as well. So I won't recommend you to flash this custom ROM as the bug is major one, which is system UI crash, and nobody likes that. But the users, those who want to play some games, then there are some other custom ROMs as well which can be used for gaming, and the stability is way better than this custom ROM. You can try .os, Legion OS, Pixel Plus UI, and some others are there too. You can check out the link in the description. Using this custom ROM would be great option, I thought so, but after flashing, now I know that this custom ROM is not so great. LTS version is way better when compared to this. I hope that the bugs gets fixed soon so that the user can enjoy this custom ROM as well. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and also follow me on Instagram.
Dancing on the moon.